Let's get you visuals of a massive protest that's currently taking place in Hyderabad by junior doctors. This is outside a COVID-19 dedicated hospital in the city. This is happening after last night a doctor was attacked. Now, junior doctors of the Gandhi Hospital have blocked the road, staging a sit-in protest. They've demanded that Chief Minister KCR deploy paramilitary at the hospital. Two accused with regards to this attack on doctors yesterday have been arrested. Ashish is joining us live from outside the Gandhi Hospital, which is where the protests are happening. Ashish, tell us exactly what happened last night and what are the demands of these protesting doctors.
So, Akshita, currently the situation here is that junior doctors, they have blocked this road. Police personnel have stopped them here, and all the junior doctors, they are sitting here. So, what happened and why these doctors are here? So, yesterday, a 55-year-old patient who was tested COVID-19 positive, he unfortunately died. Two of his attenders then assaulted one of the on-duty junior doctor, and it led to a protest. Yesterday night also, entire night, doctors hold protest, junior doctors hold protest. They demanded arrest. And now Hyderabad police has confirmed that they have assaulted one of the junior doctor. But now these doctors today again they started protesting. They are sitting here. Earlier they were inside hospital, then they walked out from the hospital and then further till here. And clearly, this is the situation here. They all are protesting. They have all the placard, "You hit, I quit," and several other placards. They are also demanding that Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao should speak to them, assure proper safety and security. This is not the first time when we have been witnessing and reporting attacks at Gandhi Hospital on doctors.
Ashish,
Earlier
can you speak to some of those doctors as well? And if you could just get us some voices from the ground from some of those protesting doctors about what really their message is with this agitation, with this protest.
Sir, tell me about this protest, your demand. What exactly you want now? We believe that Health Minister will be coming here. He'll be coming down. He'll speak to you guys. What are your demands?
Actually, there was a. You must have. Is this English?
Indeed, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So, you must be aware that there was a death in the AMC yesterday. There was a 55-year-old male who is a known case of hypertension and diabetes and presented with symptoms suggestive of COVID-19. He was tested in SARI unit, severe acute respiratory illness, tested positive, and then transferred to acute medical care unit. There, in the AMC, his saturations were not maintaining, so he was put on a special mask, oxygen, continuous positive airway pressure ventilation, which is a non-invasive form of ventilator, and he was advised that his condition could worsen on exertion because his saturations, oxygen percentage in the body is not maintaining. And he was also obviously suggested that, there is a bedpan available by your side. Whenever you feel like opening your bowel, you can use it. Unfortunately, due to reasons unknown, he walked to the washroom and there, upon straining probably, succumbed to his illness.
So now the on-duty junior doctor was assaulted. Police claim, the Hyderabad police say that both of the assaulter, they are arrested, they are under now police custody. If we talk about the demand, what are your demand? Now you are sitting on road, you have left your duty. What are your demands?
It is not about this isolated incident. We are concerned about the reasons that led to this incident. It is somehow indirectly or directly maybe related to mounting all the cases in this particular hospital in the entire state. So we want decentralization, and there should be, according to GO 113 of 2019, the central government.
Clearly, central government has also earlier assured proper safety and security.
Yes.
And these doctors are now want paramilitary should be deployed outside the hospital. They want proper safety and security, and then only they'll resume duty. So this is the situation here outside Gandhi Hospital, Akshita.
All right, Ashish, thank you for getting us that live report. We will be tracking closely what happens there. The junior doctors who are protesting there are demanding that the Chief Minister address their concerns. They want paramilitary to be deployed for their protection.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.